the metal tip into the buckle, tighten the belt by pulling on the buckle strap. To unfasten, lift the metal flap. Whenever the fasten seatbelt sign comes on, you must return to your seat and fasten your seatbelt securely. If an oxygen mask like this drops from the compartment above your seat, immediately pull the mask firmly towards you. Place the mask over your nose and mouth with the headband tied around your head and
Turn around.
Place your own mask first before assisting others under your care.
We're doomed, guys.
Your life vest is located under your seat. So use it slip it over your head like this. Keep on the waistband and pull them tight.
Come on!
At the exit before leaving the aircraft, pull the red tag to inflate the life vest. Do not inflate the life vest until the exit as to slow down the evacuation flow. Your life vest has an oral tube or for deflation. This light will come on when in contact with water and there is a whistle to attract attention. Ladies and gentlemen, evacuation slides are located at all the exits. Please take note where the emergency exits are located on this diagram. The exits are being pointed out to you now, bearing in mind that the nearest one may be behind you. In the event of the landing of water, slide rafts are located at all the exits. Now, during an evacuation, leave your hand luggage. If smoke is present, keep low, follow the floor lights to the nearest exit as indicated. A copy of the safety information card is in your seat pocket. Please read it carefully. Passengers next to the emergency exits are requested to study the operations of your exits in your safety card. As this is a non-smoking flight, please do not smoke throughout the flight. Smoking in the washrooms will activate the smoke alarm. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for your attention.